I think it may be working. Good afternoon, YouTube. Here at 2:44 in the afternoon on a Monday. I have before you the signal tracer. I do have it hooked up to my phone, and I do have it hooked up to the input. It does work. Now it's not very. That's up all the way. Now I don't have the phone up a lot, but I think it's about halfway up. The voltages are more normal now. I think I had 2.07 on the drain and 1.4 something on the source. So those are oh, I guess I should tell you, I changed the transistor. I found another FET. I think it's an ECG 312. It was in my assorted transistors drawer, and so I try that one, see what happened. Bob said that should work, so it does appear to be working. Like I say, this is I did try it for Carl. I did try it with the little audio transformer too. The audio is much stronger with that, but it does work without it, as you can hear. So I can turn it up a little bit, like I said. Let's see, it wasn't quite half, about a quarter up. So you can see it does go up and down. And turning that volume control goes up and down. And one thing I didn't show before, or didn't tell before, is the fact that connecting your finger to the input with nothing else on. Let me show you that. Turn it down a little bit because I know it's going to be loud. You can hear that. That's pretty good indication that it's working, obviously. So that's good. Like I said, we know it's working though. So I did get that with the other transistor too. I don't know if I didn't mention it on my last video, but I did. So alright, well anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that it is working. Right now there's about 10.5 volts on the circuit. My DDS-PS is providing the power, and it kind of goes up and down. I can take it back down to 9. There's 9 right even. So you can hear this chip will work with quite a wide range of voltages. This LM380. So like I say, it is working. Happy about that, I guess. So I'm gonna post this and to show you that it's working, and also for Bob so he can see, hear, or whatever. Like I say, it's hard to hear that. That again, that's all the way up. There's some hum in there. So anyway, that's that. Like I say, I'm happy that it is working. Appears to be more normal now than it was. So I'm going to post this, like I say, and get his reaction to it and see what we got. For reference also, here's the volume level of the phone. Do that. That's how much it's up. Oops. There it is. Doesn't want to stay. I'm turning it up as I do that, so I'm turning back now. There you go. That's about the level it was right there. So that's that. You guys have a great day. I'm happy because this is working. Like I say, I can move on to something else now and get some other stuff done. So I do want to make some changes. Dave up in Canada up there, he showed me his progress on his, and he was using the little green connectors, you know, with the screw terminals. And I think I'm going to change my inputs and my other stuff to that. I think that would be a better situation. These I have resoldered these connections on this volume control I don't know how many times, and the speakers even came apart once. And so, you know, I think that's especially when you're doing this kind of work, it needs a different kind of connection. So anywho, like I say, I keep blabbering. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we will see ya.